There are two simple ways to exchange your foreign currency with us here at Leftover Currency. The first exchange method works very much in the same way as if you were buying something from an online shop, but in reverse. Just as you would add an item to your online shopping basket when buying from an online shop, you will need to add the currencies you wish to exchange to the wallet on our website. The search bar at the top of our website is a quick and easy way to find your banknotes and coins. For example, if you have a $10 American banknote, type in $10 American and click search. Another way to find your currencies is by clicking on the exchange rates link in the top right-hand corner of the website. This will take you to a list of currencies that we exchange with 3 columns of exchange rates for each currency. The first column displays our rates for current, legal tender, or spendable banknotes. The second displays our rates for withdrawn and out of circulation banknotes. And the third column displays our rates for coins. Where other foreign currency exchange bureaus will not exchange coins or withdrawn banknotes, we will exchange everything, even if they no longer have any monetary value. Our rates for these are slightly lower due to the increased difficulty to exchange them. Clicking on a currency in the list will take you to the page for that currency, where you'll find detailed images and descriptions of each coin and banknote, old or new, displayed in order of value. Once you have found your notes and coins, you can add them to your wallet. For example, if you have 5 coins of €1, simply enter 5 into the quantity box next to the €1 coin and click Add to Wallet. As you can see, the value has been added to the wallet in the top right-hand corner. Another quick way to add currencies to your wallet is by using the Quick Add feature at the top of the currency page. For example, if you have a mixture of euro coins that total up to €5.50, click through to the Euro Coins page and scroll down to the Quick Add feature. Enter 5.50 and click Add to Wallet. Once you have added all of the currencies you have to your online wallet, click Cash in Now on the online wallet. This takes you to a confirmation page where you can review your currencies and make any changes if necessary. When you're ready, you can click the Proceed to Exchange link at the bottom of the page. The next step is to fill in your details on the following page. Make sure to double check your email address, as your order confirmation and any future communications will be made to you via email. There are 4 payment methods available to choose from. We can make payment directly to your bank account or PayPal account, or we can send you a cheque in pounds in the post. The final option is to donate the value of your currency to charity. You can find some of our featured charities via the charity link at the top of our website. Once you have entered your details and chosen your payment method, click the Confirm and Get Paid link at the bottom of the page. An order confirmation page will be displayed. Make sure to note down your 6-digit order reference number from this page. You'll also receive an email with your order details and order reference number. Our currency exchange rates are updated daily. However, we will lock in the rates shown when you place your order for 14 days. If we receive your currency later than 14 days, we'll use the exchange rates on our website on the day we process it. An alternative exchange method is to use our Postal exchange form, which you will find a link to download in the top right-hand corner of the website. This way of exchanging is great if you don't know the currencies you have, or for those of you who have a large mix of currencies. All you have to do is download and print the exchange form from our website, fill in your details on the first page. Once again, make sure you've entered your email address correctly, choose your preferred payment method, fill in any currencies on the next page. If you don't know which currencies you are sending to us or your currencies are unsorted, you can leave the second page blank. We'll sort, count and send you a detailed breakdown of your currencies via email once we have finished processing them. Please note, this is not a complete list of the currencies we can exchange for you. If you cannot find the currencies on the list, use the empty space at the bottom of the second column to list any other currencies you have. Finally, Once you're happy, please sign and date the declaration at the bottom of page 2 once you have read the terms and conditions on our website. Please be aware, with this exchange method, we will use the exchange rates on the day we process the currency we receive from you. We have teamed up with some great charities. We will donate the complete exchange value, and we will even add an extra 5% on top. All you have to do is click the charity link at the top of our website. Select one of the charities from the list. Scroll down to the bottom of the charity page and click on Get Started to download the charity exchange form. Print out the charity exchange form and fill in your details. It helps if you sort the currencies you send to us, but it is not obligatory. We will sort and count your coins and notes at absolutely no extra cost. Sign and date the declaration at the bottom of the exchange form, and that's it. Make sure you have everything you need to package your currency before you start to prepare your order to be posted or couriered. Please see our How to Package Your Currency video here. If you found this video to be helpful, feel free to click the thumbs up button below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, or you can send your queries to us in an email addressed to info@leftovercurrency.com. You'll find lots of informative and fun content on our YouTube channel here, so be sure to click the subscribe button for updates on future videos. Thanks for watching.